Do you know that the Chinese car can fly to the sky? Do you know that the Chinese car can run for 1,000 kilometers without using any fuel? Do you know that the Chinese self-driving buses are on the road? The quantity of cars in China has reached 300 million, including EV, sedan, bus, pickup, truck, machinery, and so on. In the future, we will introduce the most popular cars in China to you. If you are the used car dealer, auto exhibition center, repair shop, or you are interested in Chinese cars, welcome to contact us. Let's develop the auto market in China together.